In this lecture I will show you how to calculate logarithm of 4i. So, first of all, let's draw complex plane. Oh, it's not very accurate, but anyway. So, and 4i will be here with the angle of pi over 2 plus 2 pi n. And the module will be 4. So what does it mean? Logarithm from 4i equal, according to previously shown formula, it will be logarithm from 4 plus I multiplied by pi over 2 plus 2 pi n. That's it. Basically, this is the final answer. Now let's calculate the principal value. So it will be pi over 2 plus 2 pi n, and it should be stay within the limit from minus pi to pi. So from this you can see that n should equal 0. So the final result, logarithm from 4i is equal logarithm from 4 plus pi over 2i. This is the principal value. And logarithm from 4i equal logarithm from 4 plus I times pi over 2 plus 2pn, it's a full value. That's it. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and wait for new interesting mathematical and Python lectures. Thank you, bye.